To keep it short, the 0B error message. If you are lucky, the problem is that the corona wire of the drum unit is dirty, broken or in short circuit. If you are not lucky, it's the main board or the high voltage power supply. The reason for this error message is that the machine is trying to apply high voltage to the corona wire, but it is unable to do so. Remove the drum unit from the printer. The corona wire is inside the drum unit. The corona wire is this thin wire above the drum. Check if the wire is broken. Color laser printers have 4 drum units and 4 corona wires. You have to check all 4 drum units. If the wire is broken, you have to replace it, or better, buy a new drum unit. A corona wire spool would cost you as a new compatible drum unit. If the corona wire is okay, clean the wire with a cotton swab and alcohol or ammonia. Check if the corona wire cleaner is in the right position. This is the right position. Look at the arrow. Clean the metal contacts on the side of the drum unit. Reinstall the drum unit into the printer. If the error remains, change the drum unit. If nothing happens, the problem could be a capacitor or a fuse in the main board or the high voltage power supply.